It's Nerf or nothing. Ready, fight! Let's plop in.
Welcome back to the Potty Mouth Show.
Everybody knows those Nerf wars that we all got into as kids. You'd wake up on Saturday morning, you'd get a bunch of your friends together just so you could shoot them in the face with a Nerf dart. Well, today we have done the ultimate Nerf battle, I guess, cinematically speaking, because we have taken your guys' votes and put them in to see who would win a Nerf battle between us. And we have the results. I'm not going to tell you those results because if you voted, you know. But if you haven't voted and you're watching them for the first time, it's about to go down. Which means it's time for head-to-head. Okay, so we put out a poll on Facebook and Instagram to see who would win in a Nerf battle, me or Braxton. And we let you guys vote to decide the winner. Now, we're going to see who won the Nerf battle in a cinematic fashion. By the way, before we go into the video, we want to make sure that you guys know that we do post polls on there all the time. So if you're not following us on Instagram or Facebook, go do that at the Potty Mouth Show. You get to vote on stuff like this. So make sure you do that. Now, let's see who won.
Come on, guys, really? I thought you had a little bit more faith in me. Like, I could have taken Aaron any day. In the real life, I guess.
Well, unfortunately, that's not how it works. Because of you guys voted, and I guess I won. So thank you for voting. If you guys want to take part in some of these, as well as some of our Fan Day segments, all you got to do is follow us on either Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We always post these polls over there, and you guys can take a look and see who wins. It's going to be a great time. Don't miss out.
Thank you guys for liking and subscribing.
We'll see you guys next time on the Potty Mouth Show.